A delayed charge in QuickBooks Online is helpful when you have a product you may need to create and then ship. A delayed charge lets you create the charge and then convert it to an invoice when you ship the product or the customer picks it up. To create a delayed charge in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then click the Delayed Charge link under the customer's heading to open the Delayed Charge page. Use the Customer drop-down to select from your list of customers, or click the Add New choice to add a new customer if needed. The Delayed Charge Date field shows the current date by default, but you can also change it if needed. If you enabled custom transaction numbers in your sales forms, you can change the Delayed Charge Number field at the right side of the window if needed. If you enabled location tracking, a location drop-down also appears here. If you enabled class tracking on a transaction level, then a class drop-down also appears here. Then enter the products and/or services for which you are charging the customer into the Product Service, Description, Quantity, Rate, Amount, and Tax fields in the Line Items area. You may also enter data into the service date, SKU, and class fields that may appear here depending on which fields you enabled in your sales forms. You use this area in the same way you use it when creating sales receipts. You can enter a note about the delayed charge into the Memo field. The Attachments field lets you attach a file or files up to 20 megabytes in size. The toolbar at the bottom of the page contains a Cancel button, a Clear button, a Make Recurring button, and a drop-down Save and New or Save and Close button. To cancel creating the delayed charge, click the Cancel button. To clear the delayed charge window, click the Clear button. To create a recurring delayed charge, click the Make Recurring button to open a recurring delayed charge page and fill out the delayed charge information. If needed, you can click the Cancel button in this window to return to the main delayed charge window. After creating the delayed charge, to save it and then open a new window or close the window, click the Save and New or Save and Close drop-down button choices, respectively. To later convert a delayed charge into an invoice, select the Sales Transactions command under the Sales and Get Paid app in the All Apps bar to open the Sales Transactions page to the right. Then click the Unbilled Income section of the Money bar to filter the sales transaction list below to show customers with unbilled items. In this list, click the Create Invoice link under the Action column for the customer for whom to create the invoice. In the invoice page that opens, the Delayed Charges items appear in the Line Items area. A chain link icon appears in the column to the right of the tax column in the line item rows for the linked unbilled activities. To view the linked delayed charge again if needed, click this chain link icon. Finally, make any other necessary adjustments to the invoice, and then choose one of the Save and/or Send options in the toolbar at the bottom of the page. If you decide not to create an invoice from the delayed charge, click the Close button to close the invoice window and leave the delayed charge as an unbilled activity. You can also make a choice from the Save drop-down button in the lower right corner of the page to simply save the invoice if you do not need to print it or send it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.